it's Jono to the 411. We have got a lateral knee pain tube today, and we're going to show you how to mobilise the head of fibula to increase the flexion range of your knee. We've got Jono here again. And he's got, amongst everything else, he's got a bit of lateral knee pain. So we're going to have him standing here, and we're going to get him to bend forward like he's going into a lunge, and he's got a bit of pain on the outside of his knee that's quite restrictive. So just show the camera that restriction, Jono.
Up there.
Yep, and he just gets a sharp pain on the outside of his knee, and what we're going to be trying to do is grab the proximal fibular articulation, and we're going to be mobilising it posteriorly to try to increase the amount of range in his knee flexion. So my thumbs are not real bony, so I don't mind using them, but if they are bony, try to use the palm of your hand by pushing backwards, either using a pisiform or actually just the base of your thumb. So I'm getting onto the head of the fibula here, we're rotating it posteriorly, and we're going to get him to flex his knee forward. We're going to see if the range increases, and there we get a nice increase in his knee flexion. We're going to do that again. We're just going to check if that was an accident. So bend forward, tell me when you get pain.
About there.
About there. Okay, come back up. We're going to posteriorly rotate that again, and we get a lot further. Okay, and come back up. Okay, we're going to do 10 of these, keeping the proximal fibula posteriorly rotated. We're going to do reps of 10. This is a great treatment technique for people that are recovering from any sort of arthroscopy, or that they've had any sort of jamming mechanical injury to their knee joint. Now we're going to see if it's held. Go again. And we have let the treatment be held a little bit. So now we're going to bring him back up. Now we're going to strap that. So we get our rigid. If you're worried about them having any sort of irritation, please use an under wrap that's low allergenic. We're going to find the fibula head, pop it onto about an inch and a bit further forward, posteriorly rotate that fibula head, pull it around and anchor it down. Going to get a second one. A little bit further back, almost directly over the fibula head. Pull it back and back on. And then we're just going to get some Leuco light over the top to finish it off. Don't record this. Oh, look, you can just cut it. This is kind of embarrassing. Okay, so then we've got the Leuco light on. We're not going to have any issues with sweat. We've got to posteriorly mobilise the head of the fibula. Now we're just going to check on that range again. And we've kept his knee flexion range. That's quite impressive now. So we would leave this on for about 48 hours or longer, depending on whether or not they're getting irritated. If they're getting irritated at all, make sure they take it off straight away. But that's how we do mobilisations of the proximal fibula to increase the knee flexion angle and then taking the boot. That's Jono the 411. Catch you later.